The world watched as Xi Jinping, president of China, announced a $50 billion investment in Africa. This was no ordinary investment. This was a bold statement, a sign of China's commitment to reshaping global partnerships. For Africa, this investment represents a beacon of hope, a potential catalyst for economic transformation and development. This essay will delve into the details of this investment, exploring its potential to address Africa's challenges, and examining the complex interplay of motivations and potential outcomes. This is not just about money, it's about building bridges, it's about fostering collaboration, and creating new avenues for growth. The potential impact of this investment is vast, with the potential to uplift millions and reshape the global landscape. However, it is essential to approach this development with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both the potential benefits and the potential pitfalls. This is a story that is still being written. The coming years will reveal the true impact of this investment, shaping the destinies of both Africa and China. Africa's journey towards economic prosperity has been fraught with challenges. Many nations have struggled to achieve sustainable growth, grappling with issues that have hindered their progress. A lack of robust infrastructure, including roads, bridges, and reliable transportation networks, has stifled economic activity and limited opportunities for growth. Furthermore, Africa has often found itself reliant on foreign aid and investment, creating a cycle of dependency that can limit economic autonomy. The brain drain phenomenon, where skilled professionals seek opportunities elsewhere, further exacerbates these challenges, depleting the continent of valuable human capital. These factors have created a complex web of interconnected issues that have hindered Africa's ability to fully realize its economic potential. The lack of infrastructure limits business expansion and job creation. Reliance on foreign aid can come with strings attached, potentially compromising economic sovereignty. And the brain drain deprives the continent of the skilled workforce necessary for innovation and growth. Addressing these challenges is crucial for unlocking Africa's true economic potential. Investing in infrastructure, fostering local industries, and creating an environment that attracts and retains talent are vital steps towards a more prosperous future. Xi Jinping's $50 billion investment is not a single entity, but a multifaceted initiative aimed at tackling Africa's challenges from multiple angles. This investment can be dissected into several key components, each targeting specific areas for development and growth. At the heart of this investment lies a commitment to infrastructure development. $30 billion has been earmarked for funding 30 infrastructure projects across the continent. These projects encompass a wide range of initiatives, from the construction of new highways and railways to the development of modern port facilities and energy grids. Beyond direct investment in infrastructure, China has pledged $29.6 billion in credit lines. These lines of credit offer African nations access to much-needed capital for development projects, providing them with the financial flexibility to pursue initiatives tailored to their specific needs. In addition to government-led initiatives, Chinese companies are also stepping up their investments in Africa. At least $9.9 billion is expected to flow from Chinese companies into various sectors of the African economy. This private sector investment is crucial for driving innovation, creating jobs, and fostering economic diversification. Xi Jinping's pledge also includes a strong emphasis on job creation. The investment aims to create at least 1 million jobs in Africa, providing new opportunities for employment and economic empowerment. This focus on job creation recognizes the importance of inclusive growth, ensuring that the benefits of economic development are widely shared. Infrastructure is the backbone of any thriving economy, and Africa's lack of robust infrastructure has long been a major impediment to its development. Xi Jinping's investment recognizes this critical need, allocating a significant portion of the funds towards bolstering Africa's infrastructure network. This investment will breathe life into projects that have the potential to transform Africa's economic landscape. New highways will connect remote communities to markets, reducing transportation costs and unlocking economic opportunities. Modern railways will facilitate the efficient movement of goods and people, fostering trade and boosting productivity. The development of modern port facilities will enhance Africa's connectivity to global trade routes, facilitating the export of African goods and attracting foreign investment. Upgraded energy grids will ensure reliable access to electricity, powering homes, businesses, and industries across the continent. This investment in infrastructure is not just about building physical structures, It's about building a foundation for sustainable and inclusive growth. By improving connectivity, reducing transportation costs, and enhancing access to essential services, this investment will create an environment conducive to economic expansion and job creation. Section 5. Empowering growth technology, agriculture, and renewable energy. Xi Jinping's $50 billion investment extends beyond traditional infrastructure, encompassing sectors that are crucial for driving sustainable and future-proof growth in Africa. Technology, agriculture, and renewable energy have been identified as key areas of focus, reflecting a forward-looking approach to development. In the technology sector, the investment will support initiatives aimed at fostering innovation and digital inclusion. This includes investments in telecommunications infrastructure, digital skills training, and support for tech startups. By bridging the digital divide and empowering African entrepreneurs, this investment will unlock the transformative potential of technology. Agriculture remains a cornerstone of the African economy, and this investment recognizes the need for modernization and increased productivity in this sector. Funds will be directed towards improving agricultural practices, enhancing irrigation systems, and promoting climate-smart agriculture. Recognizing the urgency of addressing climate change, a significant portion of the investment will be channeled towards renewable energy projects. Solar, wind, and hydropower projects will be prioritized, reducing Africa's reliance on fossil fuels and promoting a transition to a more sustainable energy future. By investing in these key sectors, China's initiative aims to empower Africa to leapfrog traditional development models and embrace a future driven by innovation, sustainability, and shared prosperity. Section 6. The Dragon's Strategic Interests. While Xi Jinping's $50 billion investment in Africa is undoubtedly a significant development with the potential to transform the continent, it is essential to acknowledge that China's motivations are not purely altruistic. This investment is deeply intertwined with China's own strategic interests and its pursuit of global influence. China's economy is heavily reliant on access to raw materials, and Africa is richly endowed with natural resources. By investing in Africa, China secures access to these vital resources, ensuring the continued growth of its own industries. This investment is not just about financial returns, it's about securing strategic assets for the future. Furthermore, China views Africa as a key market for its goods and services. As China's economy matures, it seeks new markets for its products, and Africa's burgeoning middle class represents a significant untapped market. This investment is not just about aid, it's about cultivating new trading partners and expanding China's economic footprint. Beyond economic considerations, China's investment in Africa also carries significant geopolitical implications. By strengthening ties with African nations, China seeks to challenge the traditional dominance of Western powers on the continent. This investment is not just about development, it's about reshaping the global balance of power. Understanding China's strategic interests is crucial for navigating the complexities of this investment and ensuring that it benefits both China and Africa in a mutually beneficial and sustainable manner.